Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got the winter of FabFitFun subscription box and I am so excited to open it up and share with you what I chose. If you're new to FabFitFun and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've seen it all before, heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside my winter box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. FabFitFun is a US based seasonal subscription box that contains homeware, fashion, jewellery, beauty, fitness, what else? Lifestyle. Lifestyle generally covers everything, doesn't it? So a bit of everything, and you get to choose the products that go inside. So they bring them out autumn, winter, spring and summer, and winter boxes have been my favourite boxes since I've been subscribed to the subscription for a good couple of years now. The winter boxes are always amazing, really great. So the cost of the box then, bearing in mind this comes out every 3 months, the cost of the box is $49.99 and that includes shipping if you're in the US. They also ship to Canada and the UK. Also Puerto Rico, Alaska and Hawaii. The last time I checked, they might have added more countries, but I think European countries, it's only the UK at the moment. To ship the box to the UK, it would cost $49.99. Then they add on around $5 shipping and you have to pay tax, which is between $5 to $10. So you're looking at around $65 that you would pay to ship to the UK every 3 months, which works out to be in the £50 mark, something like that. There's no custom charges whatsoever. So what you pay is what you pay and there's no additional costs. Now every single box they say has a value of at least $200. Some of the products are really extortionate. Some of them are like, really? But that is what they retail for. Even though it's exciting to find out that, you know, maybe my box is worth over $300, the money aspect of it doesn't really come into it. It's whether the products are worth it, whether I would use it, and whether I think it's worth me spending £50 odd every couple of months. Now there's 2 different types of subscriptions. You've got the season to season subscription, which means that you can cancel any season, or you've got the select member subscription, which is what I am. I pay once a year upfront for all my boxes. The pricing is roughly the same, there's no difference really there. But what it means, because I'm a select member, I get to choose more products to go inside the box and I get to choose the products first than season by season subscribers. So a couple of weeks before a box is released, we get an email and we can choose the products that we want. They're all in different categories. You've got category 1 and you might have about 6 different options. Category 2, it all goes up to category 6. Select members get to choose their own items from every single category. Season by season subscribers get to choose the first 4 or 5, I believe, and then FabFitFun chooses the rest for you. As well as choosing our products, we've got the option to add add-ons into our box, which I have done, which I'll show you what I've chosen. So for instance, say if you're looking at category 1 and you've got to choose 1 item out of say 6 and you think, oh, I really want 2 of them or 3 or all of them, then you've got the option to choose your 1 item, your main item. For an extra $15, you can choose any of the other products. Then if you click on the items, a little pop-up comes up telling you a little bit more about the product and also the value. So I've chosen 2 additional items in my box this month. FabFitFun bring out lots of sales throughout the year as well. And before we get to choose our products for the season's box, they do bring out an edit sale. So whatever you purchase in the edit sale, which has usually got 70% savings or more of each product, then whatever you purchase there, we won't get charged straight away. You'll get charged for it when they do your subscription box and then you get the items sent out to you. Now I didn't purchase anything in the edit sale this time, so I haven't got any extras in there, but I think that is it. If I've missed anything out or you want to learn a little bit more, then please ask away. I have got a refer a friend code which will entitle you to, I think it's $15 off your first box. You'll find, well, it's not a code, it's a link. So you'll find that down below in my description, as well as links to this subscription and their website. So underneath this video, you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I chose. Now inside every box, we get a FabFitFun magazine, which is great. It's got some really great articles in here and it's all going to be winter themed, skincare, fashion, yeah, loads. The used to have all the categories and all the products that you will receive, so I was able to show you exactly what was in each category up on the screen, but they've stopped that now, which is a shame. But they do have a QR code there which you can scan. I've just logged on to my account. If you're interested in the winter box for yourself, yeah, I've got a refer a friend link for it is $15. I thought it might have been 10, but no, it's 15. But it gives me my value. So all the products that are inside this box comes to a whopping $271.95, and it lists all the products as well, so I'm able to tell you what they're worth as we go along. First up, I chose an extra added item. This cost me an additional $7. I thought it was 15, but no, it's 7. And I had these last winter and I loved them. I love them so much that I wore holes in them. I don't normally wear any shoes around the house, but sometimes wintertime, yeah, it is cold. But these are just beautiful. These are by Mucklucks, Wear Your Way of Life, and I've got them in size large to extra large, which is a US 8 to 11. No, I'm a UK 9, so I think that is a US 11. No, I'm not 9, what am I? I'm a UK 8, so I think that is a US 11. I think so anyway, so yeah. But they're grey, really long slipper socks. Look at that. That is just beautiful, isn't it? So soft. It is gorgeous, and they've got little sticky pads on there then to stop me slipping around. But yeah, all the holes are in the toes. So I got another pair. So really happy with those. So next, I chose a throw, and again this is a repeat. You sometimes find that in FabFitFun that the really popular products they bring back. They brought these back as little add-ons, and this was actually in a category Unhide for Love Not Fur, fluffy furry friendly fresh faux. I'm sure it's the same brand, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm sure it's the same one. I can't even open it now. In a winter box maybe 2 years ago, I chose a cream throw. It is super soft, so I thought this time I'd go for a grey one. It is such great quality. You can see on one side it's really nice and soft, and on the other it's furry, and it's got a label there. It is really thick and it is quite heavy as well. It is 127 centimetres by 152.4 centimetres. So a nice cozy size, so you can wrap yourself in it. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it over our sofa downstairs. And oh, it's just so nice. It's so lovely. It says here, this member favourite is back. This time the faux fur blanket is featured in a gorgeous charcoal shade. Snuggle up with this blanket on the couch or use it as chic home decor. And yeah, if I was to buy this in the shop, it would cost me $65. So yeah, I love it. Next up, I went for some cups. And I chose these in an old FabFitFun last year sometime. Could be a summer one, I don't know. So I've already got 2 of these and they're beautiful. This is by Lily Pulitzer. This is the first time I've opened them. Hopefully they're not smashed. No, they're well packaged. These are the cups I use in the morning for my tea. I love a massive mug. You can see how big it is. Really big, and you've got the design in there. There. So yeah, throughout the day I like smaller cups, but in the morning I have to have a massive mug like this. They're just beautiful. I love the colours. I chose 2 of them, so I've got a little collection going on. And to purchase the 2 cups it would cost you $42. So now my next choice is a little bit random for me. I got some wrist weights. Out of all the FabFitFun boxes that I've had over the years, I don't think I've ever once chosen a fitness product. I am looking into doing weights. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome and an underactive thyroid. If I do too much cardio, it affects my cortisol levels apparently, and it can stop me from losing weight, which is a bit of a pain, isn't it? But it makes sense because I have attended lots and lots of exercise classes in the past, eating clean and healthy, and I haven't budged any weight whatsoever. So they recommend people with conditions like myself should do more strength exercises, and that will burn the calories better than any cardio. Walking and things is fine, but actually, you know, like body pump, and I can't remember what Zumba and things like that I used to do years ago. No, it's just too harsh for us. So I thought I'd get myself some weights and start I don't know, doing some lifts or wearing them around the house maybe and just carry on with my day as normal. If I was to buy these, it cost me $35. And they're not that heavy. What are they? They're £1 each, 0.45 kilos. There. Yeah, I can imagine. Whew. They're not that heavy if you were to pick them up individually, but now one is on the wrist. It is quite heavy. I can feel the burn here already. What does that say about me? My gosh, I need to get into fitness, don't I? And yeah, I've got another one. I might do that. I might challenge myself to wear these for a whole day and just carry on my day as normal. These are by Coral and they come in their own little bag. So I like them. Next up, I went for a milk frother. And this is by Apare. Rust-proof stainless steel whisk. And it's a portable design. Always fancied one of these. So I can froth up some hot chocolate and make some frothy coffee. Yeah. And it comes with little batteries there as well. So it's just an on and off button there, which whisks. This would have cost me $24.95. So yeah, really happy with that. I hope it works. I've got 3 items left. One of them was an additional item that I paid $15 for. And I believe these came from my category 6 choices, I think. I'm not too sure. First up, we've got a Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. There's 30 mils here. This is a new brand for me. Haven't heard of it before. It's all black or grey. It says the scalp treatment is formulated with a unique complex of tea tree oil, biotin, panthenol and witch hazel to help soothe a dry flaky scalp and restore hydration. Purifying charcoal aids in absorbing impurities to help diminish scalp and hair build-up. Well, it sounds great. How do I apply it? Apply 2 to 3 drops to wet scalp and massage. Do not rinse out. Okay, so it's an after wash sort of treatment. That's easy enough, isn't it? Smells nice. With a tea tree. It smells antiseptic. Then, I'm quite excited about this. A Kat Von D mascara. This is Go Big or Go Home volumizing mascara in Trooper Black. I'm sure I've tried this before, but this is the first time I've had a full size one. And I haven't tried it for a long time, unless I'm thinking of something different. I haven't tried many Kat Von D products before, in all honesty. Except for the tattoo liner. I've tried that a load of times. But yeah, a nice one there. Don't know what it would be like on my lashes. So the mascara would cost me $24. The scalp treatment will cost me $32. So there's that. And last up is an electric wine opener by Mark and Graham. This is an added item from, I can't remember what category. You were able to get it as one of your choices, but I ended up getting something else. I can't remember what I chose. Maybe the milk frother. Why can't I say that right? The milk frother. Got some batteries. This just looks really great. Don't really need it. I'll pop the batteries in to show you. Me being a bit slow, just realised this is like a stand. So I need to take that off, put my wine bottle up there, and then it goes in. I can't tell what it's doing. But anyway, that's my wine opener. Might come in handy one day. So yeah, so those are all the products I chose for my winter FabFitFun subscription box. I love what I've chosen. I have got some really, really great products. Some of them are familiars, some of them I have had before. Overall, I'm definitely happy with what I've chosen for around £50 odd. Yeah, so the next one now will be the spring. We'll be having that around March. End of February, March time, something like that. So yeah, I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of this subscription? Do you subscribe to FabFitFun? Do you love it as much as me? Or do you think, Claire, it's a waste of money? I'd love to hear your opinions, regardless of how they differ from mine. I just love reading what you think. Please comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. So take care and bye.